In this video, I will show you how to set up a proxy tool to pen test web application. So if you look at the status, we have different applications running. So let's pick one application to set up a proxy. So we will use ID number 1, which is the budget application. So if I put something on the search field, you can see it is being reflected to the browser. So let's open Burp Suite, which is already included in this distribution. And it takes a while to launch. So let's turn off the interception. And we will open the Mantra browser to set up the proxy. So let's move the Burp Suite and the browser to another workspace so that it doesn't bother with other applications that are running on workspace 1. So right click and then just turn off the menu bar so that you can easily get to the preference settings. Once you're there, go to network, go to settings, and check the box which says manual proxy configurations. And you need to type in the local IP address, which in this case is 127.0.0.1. And the port number is 8080, which is the port number that is set in Burp. So anything that is browsed using this website goes to Burp Suite. So this is very important. Make sure you remove that setting for localhost and 127 address so that we see all the traffic that goes from the local host. And so that's it for that settings. And once you're there, let's grab the URL for the application so that we can paste it in our Mantra browser, do some pen testing. So just paste it there. And let's go to Burp Suite, and you can see the traffic is being sent to Burp. So here you can inspect, spider, do a lot of different things, and learn about web application pen testing. So let's go to search field here and type something like a reflected cross-site scripting payload. So in this case, the parameter is supposed to be reflected back to the browser. So as you can see, the number 2 has been reflected, and you can also see that traffic is captured in Burp Proxy. I'm just showing one web application here, but there are around 18 applications which you can play with, learn, and so let's also test OWASP, a ZAP browser or a proxy tool. It's a very powerful tool, and it has an automated scanner already included with it. So just accept. And then once it launches, you can plug in the URL onto OWASP ZAP to do some testing. So there you can type in just to do a plain old blind web application testing. And just click attack, and it does a lot of scanning, and let's give it a couple of minutes for it to do some testing. So you did find a cross-site scripting. So let's go to the request, try to grab and or see the request in the browser. Just right click, say open URL in browser, and you can see that a payload has been executed there. This is what I wanted to show in this video. Hopefully we'll pick up a few more interesting things in the next video tutorial. Thanks again for your time.